behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualifications continue here in the Central Illinois Regional. First, we have scoring coming up from 62-37 Martin Motion. They go to score up Coral, but have a bit of trouble getting it to line up. Their alliance partner, 1259, over on the Red Alliance. Paradigm Shift gets a Coral on L4 as the time expires. 30-9 coming out of the autonomous period. 28-61, that's Infinity's end for the Red Alliance. They've got a Coral going up to L4. Their alliance partner, 20-58 Robotics, looking to join them, but having a bit of trouble as a Coral does fall into their drive frame. As a reminder, teams are only allowed to carry one Coral at a time, so they will be unable to retrieve any other Coral for the remainder of this match. Robotics going down to play defense on that Blue Alliance now, as 104-35, that's IRS, looks to get a Coral into their manipulator. But they may be having a bit of trouble getting into their proper claw as it falls out and lands on L1 instead for 2 points. 62-37, that's Martin Motion. They've got a Coral in their manipulator, lining up with L2, and they drop it off successfully for 2 points. 40-96, Control Z going up to L4. They dropped off that Coral successfully, cycling back to their Coral station to retrieve another as they zip around the field to go score again. Each of those up on L4 is 5 points to their respective alliances. 70 seconds to go at this point, 55-44 towards the Red Alliance at this point in time. 28-61 Infinity's end continuing their work, scoring on L4. There goes another Coral as they go to retrieve yet another from the Coral station. 23-58 Robotics still down over on the Blue Alliance side, playing defense for that Red Alliance, looking to stay in the way of the Blue Alliance as they try to load at that Coral station. Though Martin Motion able to slip around them and get in to try and intake. Control Z still working to score for that Blue Alliance, dropping off a Coral but having a bit of trouble getting it to stay on as they go to retrieve another from their Coral station. Under 30 seconds to go at this point, 74-67. This could go either way for this match. We see our first move towards the end. As the pings go off, 28-61 Infinity's end, looking to line up with the deep cage. It appears at 23-58 Robotics looking to join them as they move into that cage zone, lining up with a deep cage. They appear to be on. Robotics looking to go up. Infinity's end trying to go up as we enter the final. 3, 2, 1. Score of 103-76. Red Alliance also picking up the auto RP for having all 3 robots move in the autonomous period and scoring a Coral, and the barge RP for scoring 14 or more points